Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. How are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very unique and smart ideas. Dear viewers, today's video is all about crochet accessories. In this video, we will show you different type of crochet accessories. You may like them very well. So we will continue our video without wasting our time. Crochet is a craft that involves creating fabric by interlocking yarn with a hooked needle. It differs from knitting in that it uses a single hook rather than two needles. Here are some key points about crochet. Crochet hook, available in various sizes and materials like aluminum, steel and plastic. Yarn comes in different weights, that is ice, fringing, sports, roasted and fibers, that is cotton, wool, etc. Basic stitches. Chain stitch, the foundation of most crochet projects. Single crochet, a basic dense stitches. Double crochet, taller than single crochet, creating a more open fabric. Half double crochet, a stitch between single and double crochet in height. Pattern and techniques. Traditional motifs used in many projects. The Japanese art of crocheting small stuffed toys uses a grid-like pattern for lazy designs. Patterns use and symbols to indicate stitches and techniques. Learning these conventions is essential for following the creating designs. Check your gauge to ensure your project will be the right size. Practice. Master basic stitches and techniques before tackling complex pattern. Cotton, wool, applause and silk offers various texture and properties. They can be softer or more breathable depending on the fiber. Nylon and polyester are often more affordable and can be easier to care for. Combining natural and fiber can offer the best of both worlds, such